Welcome to my driveway, dudes. Today I'm going to be showing you where to find your 12 volt battery in a Toyota Corolla Fielder. The battery for the Toyota Corolla Fielder is located under the rear seats. So you have your 12 volt battery under here, and on this I know that your hybrid batteries under this side and your 12 volt batteries over here. So it's really easy to get to the 12 volt battery once you know where it is. You've got two little popper clips here. So you'll have one's around here, one's around here. And to get these out, you basically push it like it's a button and you'll hear a click. And once it clicks, you slide it straight out. Okay, once they're out, then this plastic shroud should just pop off, click off. Okay, and you see here's your 12 volt battery. So this is the battery that's used to start the car. As I said, it's a hybrid car, so this is the battery that repeatedly starts your car whenever you need to start. You'll see it only has a small cranking. It's 35 amp hours, so, and it's relatively small battery. So to remove this battery, I'm not going to do it now, but to remove this battery, you'll see there's a little, it looks like a 10 socket here, a 10 nut here. So you remove this bar will come out, and the battery should then just slide straight out, and then you can disconnect your points. So if you need to charge the battery without a jump box, you can remove the battery from here, bring it in, charge it with your car charger, your battery charger, then replace the battery. Or if you need to buy a new battery and replace it yourself, this is where you find your battery. Okay, and returning the battery is just the opposite of what you did. I'll show you in more detail how to use these clips. So let's take a closer look at one of the clips. So this is in the closed position. So if it's inserted in, it would be closed, and this would be open. So to open these when they're fitted, basically what you do is you click, and you see this has gone down, and then you'll just pull them out. And refitting them, this little tricky bit, you have to pinch this. So you pinch these little parts there and push it back through at the same time. You should hear a click. Okay, so back into this position, and then you can push it out through if you choose to. So then once it's in this position, you insert it back into the hole and then push it flat. So when you push it flat, these open out again, and then it won't come out again. Take it out, in, and then when you're putting it back in, see these are the little clips, the little tabs that you're trying to pinch. So to return this back on, you'll see there's some yellow little clips, and they just feed in to there's cutouts here in the plastic, so they'll slide straight on and they should click into place. You can hear them all clicking in. Okay. And then it's just a case of returning your poppers. So as you see, it's on the out. And then just click it and click, and that's all there is to it. Well, thanks very much for watching. Make sure you hit that like, hit the subscribe, support the channel, and have a great day. Thanks.